Good evening. This is Kelly with the YouTube video coming at you again. Today in this YouTube video, I wanted to talk about the crystal clear quartz. Clear quartz is a powerful crystal that is used for master healing and to enhance psychic abilities. It's been about 3 months now since I've been uploading YouTube videos. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all happy. I've been getting lots of comments on my videos, and I really appreciate it, and I'm very grateful. So now I wanted to talk about clear quartz and why it is really good for master healing and the power that it has to give you what you want to do. The first thing that clear quartz does, it actually deters negative energy and it enhances positive energy. And what clear quartz does, it actually amplifies what you're trying to do. For example, if you have the vibration of trying to attract someone into your life, clear quartz with rose quartz can be a perfect combination for that. It can actually also deter the negative energies, and it also can release it. Because of course, during this time, there's a lot of positive and negative energies that are out there. And of course, there's all something that we want to have more of. You know, some people want to have more money, some people want to find their soulmate, and everybody has their wants and needs. So if you have the crystal clear quartz, it'll help amplify what you're trying to access from the universe. And there's a lot of power in clear quartz. I would highly recommend keeping that in your pocket to amplify what you are trying to seek. Because crystals are very powerful. There's a lot of things in crystals that can help you attract what you want into your life. And it also could be good for your health. There are certain crystals that if you use properly, it will amplify your health. And clear quartz has a lot of positive things. It releases the dark energy and it attracts the white energy to come into you. And, you know, as for me, I always keep clear quartz in my pocket, because for me, it amplifies for me to try to be more successful in life. Because we all want to be more successful, and we all want to keep the bad vibes away, and you want to have the positive vibes. So by having clear quartz will give you the positive energy that you are seeking. And then if you also use that for meditation, you will attract and you will bring the things that you want into your life. So that's pretty much it for this video. I wanted to talk about that today, about the power of clear quartz. It's a master healer, and I would highly recommend keeping that in your pocket. Thank you very much.